My people, I'm so excited to share with you guys this amazing recipe I tried and it came out really nice. It is called potato waffle. So guys, all you need for this recipe is Irish potato, you need egg, you need vegetable of your choice, you need fish or meat, whatever you want to use for the topping is okay. And don't forget you also need cheese. So I'm just going to quickly peel off the potato. Once I'm done peeling off the potato, I'm going to use my grater to grater it. So this evening, I was like, what am I going to give to these children? My son said, Mommy, I'm tired of eating fufu. I don't want to eat rice. Mom, I need something different. And you know your girl, and I just go to screw my Facebook page. So I came across Nancy's video, Korobidi sister. She made this potato waffle. It was really nice, guys. I just quickly jump into the kitchen, since I always get potato for house. I say, okay, potato day now, make I try this recipe. So once I'm done gratering it, I use cold water to soak it. You can also put eyes on it, but I no get eyes. So next, I'm going to chop up my vegetable. So the children no like vegetable. So you're going to chop your vegetable really tiny, the way they are not going to notice it in the waffle. But if your children are the type that love to eat potato, to eat vegetable, feel free to cut it the way you want it. But for my own children, they know they like vegetable, more especially this particular one. So I chopped it really small. Next, I'm just going to put it in a bowl and then I pour hot water on it. The reason why I pour hot water on it, I just want to kill that broccoli smell why I know they like at all. So next, I'm going to be separating the oil from the fish. You can use meat, you can use hot sausage, you can use sausage on this, whatever you have. It's not the most that you use what I use. Korobidi sister never use fish, but na fish I get for house. I say this waffle must go on. I'm going to use fish to do mine. So guys, me I like fish, so the fish sweet anyway. So once I'm done, I'm just going to set it aside. Then I'm going to go back to the potato, wash it, and then use my net to sieve it out. Make sure you squeeze the water out of it because we don't want water to be on this potato. Squeeze it the way you can until there's no water coming out from it. So once I'm done squeezing it, guys, next I will also rinse the vegetable out from the water. Make sure I squeeze all the water out from it. Then I'm going to be transferring the potato into a bowl. I'll go in with my vegetable. Then I'm going to add my fish, and then I'm going to add Maggi, pepper, and salt. Then I went in with my flour. I added 1 cup of flour. Then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Next, I'm going to be adding egg on it. So I made use of 2 eggs. I'll mix it up. Once I'm done mixing up, the last thing I'm going to be adding the cheese. I almost forgot the cheese. Thank God I remember them anyway. So I'm going to use all the cheese on it, add it into the bowl, and then mix it up nicely. While I was making this, the children were so excited. They was like, Mommy, are you sure this is going to come out nice? I brought children. So guys, once I'm done mixing it, next, I'm going to show you how to toast this thing if you don't have toaster at home. So you can use your frying pan, you can use your pot, just add a little oil on it and then put a little quantity in the pot and then just follow what I'm doing, you are good to go. So while I was doing this, the children were already coming out. Mommy, we want to test it first. We want to test it first. I say, shift to man, no pour you oil. So we say, let's try the first one and see how it is. Guys, it was really nice. The kids, they love it. I really love to try new things. And I was so pleased that they like it. And I just gave it to the little baby. I said, okay, just take that one. So I'm going to be doing the next one using my toaster now. So I added the quantity that I want on the toast machine, and then I'm going to cover it, allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, guys, this is how it looks. It really came out nice. I love the look. Everything about this is really good, guys. I'm just going to gently remove it and then I'll place it aside and then I do another one. Oh, well, this thing is really coming together. If you are going to be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Trust me, you are going to love it. I'm just going to do another one. Guys, just take a look at this. This is really beautiful. Guys, help me to share this video with your family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, okay? So you don't get to miss out on recipes like this. So guys, I decided to try it again with this pan, but it didn't come out nice. It was just anyhow. So the kids were so happy with this recipe, guys. Honestly, this potato waffle is really nice. Oh my goodness. I never knew it's something I can do in the comfort of my own home. It really came out nice and it tastes amazing. The kids were so happy with it and I really enjoy myself, guys. We couldn't allow it to cool down. We started eating it in the kitchen until we finish it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you're going to be trying this recipe, let me also know in the comment section. Trust me, you are going to like it. See you all on my next video. Bye.